Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to User One Productions. My name is David. In today's quick Unity tutorial, we're going to be looking at stuff in our inventory, specifically for a first-person character. Say you have like a shovel or a gun, maybe a flashlight in your hand, and you walk over to a wall and it clips through it. Obviously, you don't want this to happen in your game, so we're going to go over the quick fix on how to do this. It's a very simple camera trick that mostly any sort of video game that you play that's first-person will be using. As always, my friends, anything I use in this tutorial series is linked in the description for a free download on a Google Drive. Something else you'll find in the description is the Discord that is quickly growing. We almost have 100 people in there, which I appreciate you all. And then I'd like to say thank you all for 700 subscribers on YouTube. It's absolutely amazing. I didn't think I was going to make it this far on this channel. Without further ado, let me show you the problem and then we're going to go into fixing it. So here I am in a very basic Unity 3D scene that I've created. Oh, a little bit of lag, that's fine. We just have a hallway, some post-processing on it, and then this shovel on the ground that I can pick up. And as you can see, when I walk over to this wall, my hand as well as the shovel clips right through it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix this right now. So first of all, let me show you the setup that I have for my current camera. All I've had to change is clipping planes. I changed it to 0.01. Usually it starts at like 0.03. And when it is 0.3, if you walk over to a wall, the camera will clip through. As you can see on the top left, it's clipping through the map, and I don't think you want that in your game. So right off the bat, we're going to change our clipping planes to 0.01, and that will actually eliminate that problem, as you can see there. Okay, as for the shovel, in my instance it's a shovel, could be something else in your game. What we're going to do is grab our first-person character, which is what the standard asset calls the camera. We're going to right click that and add a new camera inside, so that way it gets placed right on top of where the main camera is. I'm just going to call this weapon camera. You can call this whatever you want. And now that we have the weapon cam, we need to go back to our shovel or whatever object you want to always see. We're going to go over here to layer, add a layer, and I've added one that just says always see. Once you have that created, we want to go to the inventory shovel and add it as always see in our layers. You can say yes to change children. For the most part, it might disappear down here, which is perfectly fine. Let's go to the main camera that is controlling everything, and let's go to depth. We're going to change this to number 1, and up here at culling mask, you want it to see every one of these default layers except always see. You want to make sure that's turned off. And then if we go to the weapon camera, which is the duplicate camera we just created, we want to go clear flags. We want to do depth only. Culling mask, press nothing, so it deselects everything. And then go back to culling mask and press always see. And now the depth, we need to have this number bigger than what the main camera is. So our main camera is number 1. We want to change this to number 2. Our shovel will reappear. And then the final thing that we want to do with this camera is make sure our clipping planes is 0.01, just like the other camera, so we don't have any graphical errors. So now, when I go ahead and play the game, let's walk over to that shovel again, pick it up. It should not clip through this wall. And as you can see, we can always see it, because that's what we have it as. If I actually pause the game and look at it inside of the Unity editor, turn gizmos off for a second, the shovel actually is through the wall, but because we have the second camera that is always seeing it, it will never clip through. And that's going to be about it for this short tutorial. I'm sorry that it's a short video, but I've got a lot of DMs and comments in previous videos on how to fix this, and this is as simple as it gets. This is literally the same camera trick that Call of Duty and all those other big first-person shooters use, so that way their weapons don't clip through it. With all that being said, guys, I appreciate everyone here watching. If you're new to the channel, remember to drop me a like and subscribe. If you are returning, please leave a comment as well as like this video, just to spread the word out there about User One Productions. And until the next video, my friends, this is User One Productions signing off for now. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.